Hello, 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 everyone. Coach LaKesha here. I wanted to come and give some information this morning about non-scale victories, because sometimes we're so caught up over the scale till we miss what's important, like the fact that we are still getting results. So if you will, go ahead and share this live. Share this live if you are a representative. Share this live with your friends and people you know. Okay. So what I'm going to talk about is how to measure yourself properly, how to take good pictures so your before picture and your after picture can look good, so that people can really see a difference in you. They can see the change in your body. You can see the change in your body to encourage you, to motivate you to continue your journey. Okay. So it takes a basic measuring tape. Okay. And the chart. Where does the chart come from? This is in the resource section. Excuse me. The resource section of our Total Life Changes back office. So if your representative has never shown this to you or shared this with you, or you could just Google a chart. It's not that hard. Like, if you got it, you got it. If you don't, no worries, no problem. Okay. This is a progress chart. It, in the weight loss industry, it says most people weigh their success by stepping on the scale, when in fact you need to measure your accomplishment. We have included this. That's saying we have included, but it's not included. But you still can get it. Okay. So if you are in fact my client and you don't have a copy of this, I could inbox it to you. I could email it to you. It's not that hard. Okay. So let's just get you off and measured. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. As you come on, please share this live. Especially if you are in fact a business partner, share the live so that your clients can see how to measure their non-scale victories, and they will know that they are still winning. I remember once when I was kind of disgusted and discouraged, right here, I had this suit on, and it's the same suit that, I always make a joke, and I said, had I buttoned up that top button, I would have popped out somebody's eyes because it was way too tight. But then months later, when I put it on for Mother's Day, after I, lost weight, then I was like, I may as well eat my cookies and honey buns if I'm not losing weight. When in fact, I was maybe not losing weight. My scale was saying the same thing, but the inches were still melting away. So what I'm going to do is turn my computer around, and I'm going to get on a wall that you can see, like a solid wall. So let me see if I could do that right quick. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. So let's see if I can position this properly. So the basic thing that you want to know is when you are measuring yourself, when you're measuring yourself, or when you're taking a before picture. Let me move this light a little bit. Yeah, so when you are taking a before picture, ladies and gentlemen, it's vitally important that you're not taking it with a background like my wall with my product, because all of that is going to be in the way. And so a person won't be able to see your body. So what you want to do is you want to take a picture on a white wall so that you can see the difference if your belly was way out here and now it's, you know what I mean? So that you could get a clear picture of what your before is. You want to take it sideways. Maybe you can hold up your arm or put your arm down, whatever. You want to take it forward. Okay, facing forward. You want to take you may want to take the other side. And if you're a person that has a lot of back fat, like I used to, you want to take a back shot, just so that you can know where you're starting at. Okay. And like I said, you can get this from Walmart. You can get it from your local, not convenience store. You can get a measuring tape from Target, any of those places. You don't have to go necessarily to a sewing place. What did I do with the chart? Okay, so with the chart literally tells you where to measure yourself. It tells you where to measure. It tells you your neck, your chest, your upper arm, your abdomen, your waist, your hips, your upper thighs, mid-thigh, and calf. And so you're going to do this before, you're going to do it 30 days later, and then you're going to tally up the inches lost and then proceed further. So basically this chart tells you that you need to be doing this for at least 90 days to see some real progress. I mean, you can see progress in 30 days, okay? But what I'm saying is it's a journey, not a sprint. And you have to really be committed to your journey in order to see it through. It's a lifestyle change. When you make it a lifestyle change, you don't have to worry about a diet. You don't have to worry about the ebbs and the flows and going high and going low and getting off of it and gaining all the weight back. If you, in fact, make that lifestyle change. What do I mean by that? If you make a lifestyle change, that means that you are committing yourself to a better lifestyle, a healthier lifestyle. You are committing yourself to maybe eat fried food once a month instead of 3 times or 4 times a week. So let's get into this measuring. So you see the numbers here as, the inches is what you want to go by, the inch. You want to go by the inches, and you're going to start off with, it says your neck. Okay, so you're going to measure your neck, and the little silver or gold, whatever color that is, that determines where you are. So when you put that there, I'm always measure myself. It's easier if somebody else can measure you. It may be a little bit more accurate, but you just hold your thumb right where that thing stops. Okay, so it's saying my neck is 14 and a half. So what I'm gonna do is write down my neck for today's day of 1/8 as 14 and a half. So I can see my own progress in the next 30 days. 14 and a half. Okay, then as it comes to your chest, you want to measure, ladies, you want to measure around your bust size, around your bust with your bra on, preferably, right? You want to measure around the most pointy part, around the most pointy area. So then that will give you an indication of where you are. Get that number right there where the little silver thing stops at, right? That is your number for your chest. And ladies and gentlemen, this is not for anybody else. You don't have to show your measurements to anybody, but this is for you, excuse me, to keep you on point, to keep you knowing that you're winning, to keep you going, to encourage you that you are doing the right thing and you're doing well, right? And even if it's up or down, don't get discouraged, because today is a whole new day. Especially with women, we have different things going on in our body that could cause us to fluctuate. So don't sweat the small stuff. Keep going. Okay, so here, share this live. Here, measure your waist. You want to go with the centralmost part. I like to measure my abdomen in 3 different areas. I like to do the upper, I like to do the navel, and I like to do the lower. I remember when I first started this journey, my lower abdomen, that Dunlap, was about 48. So right here, this is my navel right here, my navel area. So that's the mid abdomen. All right, so I'm going to put mid there. And then the upper is like right underneath your breast, that belly area where your breast and belly kind of meets. So there. And I'm seeing what the numbers are. Excuse me, y'all. Let me take some water. Sorry. And then, of course, you want to do the lower. And I'm interested to see, because I haven't measured in quite some time. But my lower abdomen was 48. God. Okay. And you want to make sure that it's flat and that it's straight all the way around. Again, you can get someone to help you to do this if you can't do it by yourself. This part right here, and you want to look straight ahead, because when you look down, you go down, you crunch down, and it makes it bigger. So you want to look straight ahead to take your measurement. Don't be doing all this hunching over and trying to see the number, because all that is poking. See, look, okay, I'm straight up. Wait a minute. I'm straight up and down, but when I poke, all of that pooches out. So just do it straight up and down. Hold your finger on the number so that you have your accurate number. When you take it off, you have the number that you need. And my number is now a 41. It was 48. So in this area, that belly pooch alone, I've lost 7 inches just in that one location. Okay. Then you want to go with your hips. Go with your hips. And again, you want to go with the widest portion of your hips. The widest portion, the widest area is what you want to go with, okay? All right, so my hips here. And you writing these numbers, ladies and gentlemen, these numbers are for you so that you will know what it looks like. Then it says mid-thigh. So you're going to go around the largest part of each thigh. You're going to do the right thigh. You're going to do the left thigh every single time. Your arms, you're going to do your right arm. You're going to do your left arm. Okay? So this is my right thigh. And then I'm going to switch it to my left thigh. And one may be very well slightly larger than the other, and that is perfectly normal, okay? And you want to do the same thing with your arms. Now, the arms may be the most difficult to measure, but if you put it around your arm, and then I still got it on that number. So that's my left arm. You get the point. So you know where you start, and you'll be inspired to continue to finish, okay? So with that being said, guys, this has been my time. I hope that this was some helpful information for you. Get back with your Total Life Changes representative. If you have not placed your order, get your order, get a sample, do whatever you need to go ahead and get started on your journey to a healthy lifestyle. Not a diet, a journey to a healthy lifestyle. And I'll see you guys on the flip side later. Oh, my mouse is on the other side. Hold on. All right. Talk to you guys later.